This is my 2-year review of my SilverCrest air conditioner from Lidl's. When I purchased this, I think it was £180. Purchased 2 years ago, like I said. It's been pretty good in all honesty. The air that comes out of it is really cold, but the size of this room, when we had that big heat wave back the week before last, when it was 33 degrees, 34 degrees in the UK, it did struggle a bit to cool the room, but it was better than not having it. I've got it running out through the chimney breast, the exhaust, but the only trouble is when you extend this, obviously this gets hot, so that's like having a heater. So I try and keep this as short as possible now, because it was defeating the object when I had it fully extended, because even though it was blowing cold air, this was, like I said, like a radiator to touch. So basically producing hot air into the room that I was trying to cool. There is your power button. Comes with a remote controller that I'll show you in a second. Temperature up, temperature down. Mode, it also works as a heater and a dehumidifier as well. 2 speeds and a timer, which comes in handy because obviously you can put it on when you go into sleep at night and then it'll automatically switch off. To power it on, just simply set the button. Turn the temperature down. It's currently on aircon mode. Goes down to 16 degrees. Speed, high. Not much of a difference in the sound, in the overall noise. Mode, it's on aircon at the moment. Dehumidifier and fan. Sorry, I just remember this is not a heater. It is just a dehumidifier, an air conditioner and a fan. Timer, press the timer once. You can set it, it works in hourly intervals, so that would be 3 hours, 2 hours, then you press it again to confirm, and now in 1 hour's time this will actually go off. The temperature currently in this room is 26.5 degrees Celsius. So we'll put the aircon unit on now and we'll see what it does. Right, we'll switch it to cool, turn the temperature down. It's currently on 26.5 degrees, as you can see. Right, I'll pause the camera by here now and we'll come back. Comes with this remote control which has your power to switch it on and off. Your timer, like I showed you just now on the main panel. Mode to go from aircon to fan to dehumidifier. Temperature up, temperature down, and speed of the fan. Simply just press it. The compressor has just kicked in. You can see the temperature now gradually going down. Drop in. So we'll just leave it now in real time. I'll fast forward it slightly not to bore you, but we leave it now and see how cold it gets. There's the timer there, so it'll give you an idea of the temperature drop and the amount of time it has taken. But like I said, I've owned this unit now for 2 years. This is the second summer that I purchased it. It's still working fine. Like I said, it works, it's good. I can feel the cold air from my ear. But it does take a while to cool the room down. But the heat wave we had the other week, the week before last I think it was, it certainly helped, because as soon as I walked out of this room onto the landing, this is in the bedroom, the heat just smacked you in the face. You can see the temperature is falling quite rapidly, considering it was on 26 degrees when we started. .5 Celsius. I've set the aircon unit to the lowest setting, which is 16 degrees, so we'll just wait and see how cold it gets. I'll have a quick cup of tea and then I'll come back and check. And like I said, you can see the time, you can see it's dropping like a stone. 19.7 degrees now, coming out of the aircon unit. 19.4. $19 degrees, dropping like a stone the temperature now coming out of the unit. And somebody like me that absolutely can't stand when we have heat waves like we've had, it's not so much the heat, it's just the humidity, the stillness when you go outside. 18.4. So as you can see, it's clearly working and it's cooling the room. It was on 26 degrees, 26 Celsius when we started, and now it's on 18.1. $17.8, and like I said, the aircon unit is set on the lowest it'll go, which is 16. Just show you quickly. 16 degrees Celsius. As you can see now, we're on 15.7, so it's actually blowing out colder than what the maximum 16 degree setting is. Well, the minimum setting I should say, because it's the coldest it'll blow. And it's like shoving your head in a fridge where I'm standing, because the cold air coming out of this now is absolutely lovely. Because as we've seen, it was 26 degrees in this bedroom when we just started the video. So yeah, it's got it down to 15.1. It's just dropped slightly again. I'll give it a few more minutes now and we'll see how low it actually goes before wrapping the video up. 14.9. Anyway, it got to 14.7 and it stayed there for quite a bit. Starting to go back up now. I've switched it off, as you can see. But yeah, on the back of that feels really cold. But yeah, if you're after a budget portable aircon unit from Lidl's when they have them in, this is the SilverCrest. They were in here a few weeks ago, to be honest. But like I said, I've owned this for 2 years now. Anyway, it's a good little unit. It does struggle when it's seriously hot, but it's better than not having it, believe me. If you like the video, please leave a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And hopefully I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.